never crash out.
What the fuck? This nigga God. No! No! Oh shit!
And on my board, that's Bruno, no went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. Don't turn up the channel, no Bruno, keep it like some ammo, they barely prepare. Took that challenger right off the ice, hold her straight to the wall, to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hit Lamar, you know Bruno just out the vid, we go Bruno from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Bruno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a promo, bro, driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Bruno the littest, YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your old ass brother, and I'm back with another video, dog. Hey, man, say, man, we outside, man. We in North Carolina, dog. Hey, man, look at this, 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 look at this. We, goddamn, hold on. Bro, come on now. Come on now, and there's something in here. There's something in here. We ready, bro. We ready, bro. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing. All right, bro, so we got the buzzball, man. We in NC, man, about to go to the legal pit, man. DJ Cheeto, DJ Dorito, DJ Cool Ranch, DJ Cheeto Puzzle. He got a legal pit today in NC. The tour starts today, man. So while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Want to road to 1,000 subscribers. Trying to hit the 1K. Like this video, drop a comment. We out here, God damn. We out here, bro, in NC, bro. We about an hour away from the pit. Hey man, it's gonna be a crazy day. We got the blue buzz balls. We still trying to re-up them more, cause you know.
And shake some ass if you want a buzz ball, female.
My nigga.
Let's go. It's gonna be a whole lot of that today, man. So hey, hit that subscribe button, bro. I'm gonna turn back on, bro. Let's do it. Bro, look how deep this shit is, nigga.
Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, what the fuck? Nigga, this bitch thick as fuck. Yo, Nick, bro, this bit is deep.
Bro,
This is it, bro. This is insane, bro.
Bro, this line is wild.
Bro, look at the line just to get in.
This line is wild as fuck.
Yo, no, this is crazy. Good angle kit, by the way, but this is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, I see all this shit. Bro, they gotta subscribe to the channel, bro. They got to. You go around and cut their ass. This shit is crazy, bro. This shit is. Oh, I jumped the grass. This shit is crazy.
Damn, somebody gotta let me in.
This bit deep as fuck. Bro, look at the line just to get in the event. I thought it was a parking. This is the line. Bro, this is the line. This is ridiculous. Bro, this is the line, bro, to get in the event.
Who you?
Bro, look how deep, bro. This shit is crazy. Where we're going? Bro, how the fuck you get back here? How the fuck you get back here? You just got here? Oh. So what? Okay. Good dream team. Good dream team. Hey, this bitch is overly packed, bro. Like, this shit is good.
Leave and not put it on. How about that? I'm just standing right. That's your choice.
Boss man.
I'm just chilling right here, bro. Hey, I'm not in Clayco. I can do whatever the fuck I want.
Oh, shit.
Hey, we not in Clayco, twin.
We not in Atlanta,
nigga. You don't let us in here, we fucking up the streets later. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, Aunt Keely, let them get in. Fuck this shit. Talking about, oh, you can't come in.
Get in your car.
I'm going to say, I'm talking to my homeboy.
I'm not driving. All right, y'all go on. You're holding the line up. Daniel, set your bullshit.
He said what? He said what?
I'm a broke motherfucker. I got a $100 right now. Hey, go. And I had a guy just offered me $200. Y'all get in your car, man. Hey, $300. You got $300. Get in your car.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Hey, I'll be back, bro. I'll be back. Hey, that nigga's retarded, bro. Jacob's fucking retarded. Hell no. Hey man, you know if I'm out of state on tour, you know who I gotta get with me, bro. I got Twin with me, bro. What you got? Say something to the vlog, Twin.
Hey guys, it's Dreams and we're motherfucking North Carolina.
I don't give a fuck.
The Dream Team is here. They're all here. And I'm sorry, y'all, but we taking keys, okay?
Hey, you heard what she said? She said we taking keys, so y'all let me know in the comments, bro. If any car is ass, let me know in the comments, bro. So we out here, bro. Line long as fuck. This bitch is overly deep. I ain't gonna lie to you. What you think, Twin?
This shit is stupid.
Bro, this bitch is so crazy, bro.
This
Like,
packed.
line, bro, that I ain't gonna lie, she done made at least 150,000, bro. She done made at least 200,000 off this shit, for sure. That nigga made a bag off this shit. I know, I can't even, hey, more power to you, my guy, but, bro, we in line, bro, so I'm just gonna turn back on, bro, once we get in line and shit. And I'm like, time to get active. Let's do it. Bro, look at this long ass fucking line, my nigga.
That way I don't distract y'all ass when y'all pulling up.
Bro,
Oh, hell.
long ass line. You got this soggy nigga, man.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, niggas don't want to catch me in the face.
Hey, bro.
That's all I got,
You
bro.
gotta wait for it, bro. But yeah, this shit is overly packed, bro. Look at that, bro. Good media, bro. Good media, you feel me? We don't gotta even wait online. Good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Good media, bro. Y'all gotta like the video for that. Like the video for that. Good media though, bro.
Hey, whole time, nigga.
Yeah, that bit hard.
Nigga, I ain't got no.
And they do
man.
slow ass? Oh, he not in the car. Why they got them things out here? Hey, they got them things. See? Oh, you know, you can't. I got 12 out here too. Yeah, damn, boy, they brought that shit out here, bro. Yeah, park over here. And it been hard as fuck. Boy, this a 300. This a 300 cat. But it been my nigga. What's going, Twin? What's up? You sliding shit today, bro?
Yeah, I'm sliding.
You sliding this?
Yeah, just I can slide.
All right, bet. They got all the hoods out. All the hoods. They got a little nigga.
You get an outside POV for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Please, you can help me last
I got you.
Mother, what more do you want from me?
Alright, good. Bro, I got the Michael Myers mask in the car and the Diddy mask. I got you, Twin. I got you. She getting wild with that bitch. Hey, man. Bitch is outside. What the fuck? Oh, hold on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, nigga! Yeah! Pop that shit! Yes, sir! Oh my god! Yo! This man is Man, hey man, my twin about to slide it. You about to represent for the city, Twin. You about to represent for the city, Twin. Bro, no, you represent for the vlog though. This for the vlog, bro. This for the vlog. He got the HUDs in the window, so that's a green flag. You got the HUDs in the window. He in the straight 8. We about to see what he gonna do. So hopefully if this video don't get out, I'm dead. But you about to get up out of here. Hey, Twin, you gotta go crazy, Twin. They gotta go crazy, Twin. Gotta go crazy.
Somebody got my phone.
your shit, nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. God damn. Oh, my God. Yo. Oh, yo, this nigga tough. This nigga tough. Hey, that nigga hard as fuck. Yes, sir. This nigga hard as fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yo. 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 Oh, shit. Yo. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Yo. Oh, my God. Bro. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, my fucking God. Yo. Yo. This nigga is hard as fuck. This nigga's hard as fuck. This nigga is hard. This nigga is hard, bro. Big ATL shit, nigga. Bro, you got niggas out here giving haircuts, dog. Like, nigga in the fade at the fucking pit. Bro, my nigga getting a crispy fade at the pit. Hey, bro, shout yourself out, bro.
It's on the cuts, man. Y'all tap in, bro.
Yes, sir, man. My nigga getting a haircut at the fucking pit. Like, this is crazy, bro. Look at this shit. Bro, that nigga getting a haircut. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. We got a shawty over here selling drinks. Shawty over here selling drinks and shit. You know what I'm saying? Getting people fucked up. You know what I'm saying? At the pit. We got a little bit of everything going on at the pit. Long ass lines, way in the slide, got ad cheeks out here. You got a little bit of everything out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, boy. Don't be scared, nigga. Don't be scared, my nigga. Don't be scared, my nigga. Let's do it. Let's go, my boy. Let's go, Jordan. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Hey, that nigga stamp. That nigga stamp. That nigga stamp. Hey, shake some ass. Shake some ass. Shadow! Come on. I'm gonna go crazy in this bit. Hey, this shit is crazy, bro. Fuck, but this shit crazy. It be hard too. Shit. Yeah, damn, fat ass tires. That nigga got fat ass tires on this shit. Too much meat, my gang. Gay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, put it in fifth gear. God damn.
Hey, wait till Austin comes to fucking Bama.
All right, let's say.
Dream Fest Part 2.
Hey, bro, this nigga done crashed out. Why? What the fuck? This nigga, god damn, nigga, airbags done came out. Bro, what the fuck? Talk to me, bro. What the fuck? All right, guys, so they apparently shut the whole meet down because it got hectic. So the police is right here. So let's see what the police got to say. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, NC is fucking lit. Look at this nigga, bro. Hey, this nigga's a monkey for real. I ain't gonna lie, they shutting it down, bro. Hey, man, good event, bro. Hey, shout out to Cheeto, bro. Good event, bro. Good event, bro. No cap, bro. Hey, man. Hey, thank y'all, man. I want to appreciate y'all for what y'all did tonight. Thank y'all, man. God damn. Hey, bro, it's over with, man. Good night. Thank y'all for watching this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Like this video, man. We out. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. NC, y'all, hey, y'all don't owe me shit. NC don't owe me a goddamn thing, bro. NC don't owe me. Hey, NC don't owe me shit, nigga. This 5-hour drive was worth it, my nigga. Hey, I subscribe to the channel, man. Oh, that's Brando. We lit, man. We trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, bro. NC, y'all don't owe me a goddamn thing, man. I'm out. What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what is this? Oh, shit. Yo, oh, he got a gun. Oh, he got a gun. He got a gun. Oh, he got a, oh, he pulled the strap out. He pulled the strap out. He pulled the strap out. That nigga pulled the strap out. What the fuck? Oh, these niggas shooting. These niggas shooting. Oh, shit. Twin, where the car at? Twin. Oh, shit. Twin, where the car at? Where? I'm fucking. Where you at? Where you at? Twin, the car is up there. What the fuck is going? Don't come over here, cause I ain't. Hey, I'm about to go. This nigga like both of them.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them